Hey guys, it's Erika. We're going to be checking out AIMERS Fireworks. Really excited to be checking this out. We checked out their debut. I thought it was really solid. I think they have really good like foundation, choreography even. So that has me just really excited for what they do in the future. So I'm really excited to be checking this out. So you know what it, let go.
그런 인서트를 따놔야 돼. 건물 같은 것도 찍어놓고. 뭔 느낌인지 알겠지? 네.
Oh, look at all the snow. It's like perfect snow too. I think this is a special single as well. I like the nighttime scenes, like they're very pretty. How deep is that snow? I'm just like, I've never seen such pristine snow before, my god. I don't know, those just like nighttime scenes are shot so well. Wait, do they have choreography for this song? Yeah. It looks like really good choreography. I feel like I'm ready to vibe then too because I'm in like a winter sweater, but it's March. But I don't know, I'm in like hoodie season right now for myself. All those pictures are like so good. I thought that was really cute. I thought it was cute. I think it's a great song. I think it's well produced. I like checking out the kind of like self-filmed like travel type of videos. I thought this was really good. I thought it was really well done. Just, I don't know, especially like some of those like those nighttime shots when they're just walking around. They're just so beautiful. I'm just like, this is quality filmmaking. But I thought it was really cute. I don't know, it's always just kind of like when, I don't know, I always like how, I don't know, they always make my heart a little warm, and I think they're just like cute videos, personally, but I really liked it. I think it was a cute little winter single. I don't know why. It's like March and it's starting to warm up. I'm in like my hoodie sweater season right now. Like I don't know what it is about it. Like, as if I wasn't wearing like 5 layers for work when I was working over the winter. I don't know. I'm in the vibe. So I don't know. My sweater felt very appropriate. I felt very appropriate with them and what we were wearing. But I thought it was really cute. I thought it was edited very well. I loved everything about it. The choreography, the little bit that we saw, was very, very good. It's very good choreography. And I overall just really enjoyed this one. It was really cute. Go to put your thoughts in the comments down below about AIMERS fireworks. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and you want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or description down below, or at the end screen, share this video to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!